Series 1 Galaxy Shining Blokees. It up. This one actually opened quite nicely, and it has stuck again. Okay, here we go. It's very sticky. We are not going to look at the back because that gives away what it is, and we're not going to do that. Let's see what we got, and it is... Well, we've got a head, so we've got a bot, but I'm not sure who we've got. Who do we have? We have Shattered Glass Sideswipe. Is he on the back? Oh, he is there. Okay, there he is. He's right there. Or SG Sideswipe. Technically, good guy is now bad guy. Okay, now we can open this up to look at these. Because we did... Oh my goodness. These are different. Alright, let's see how we do it. Lots of little pieces here. And this, and we've got a head. And this looks like kind of the same piece here. Oh, this must be a hand. Yeah, these are the hands. I found the hands! This must be the gun. Oh, here's the chest. I bet those are the feet. There's a red piece. And, oh, no, well, I'm not sure what those are. Nope, this must be the gun. That's the gun. This is probably the back. And then we've got one more piece like that. There we go. Ta-da! Okay, now we just gotta fit all these things together. Now, there's no actual way, so I guess we just start with the middle, which is this piece here, and start connecting everything to it. Okay, we'll start with the arms first. We'll make the arms, and then we'll work our way down to the legs. For the arms, we need one hand, and one of those little pieces. Is that? Nope. No, that's got a ball on it. That goes into the foot, so it's gotta be... So this goes into here. Get one off some. So we have movement of motion for the hand. Fingers are very big for such a tiny little arm. Shoulder piece, which this has got to be the shoulders here. That's gonna just snap it. Oh, that's got a good snap. It's gonna snap into there. So we've got this movement of motion. Got this movement of motion. Just one arm. We'll go ahead and do the other one. So here. Nice. Snap. And this goes into here. Oh, I get it, because this swivels this way too. Oh, so he can have a range of motion forward, like his arm's bending, or twist it, his arm bends out. So we actually have a very, very wide range of motion here, especially with a ball joint like that. Got both arms now. So that snaps into there. Oop, I dropped it. Okay, now, we'll save the head for last, okay? Because that's the fun part to put on. Okay, the legs have quite a few separate pieces to them, actually. So for the legs, we're going to need, oops, sorry, head. We're going to need one of these, one of these. Oh, this thing right here, okay. One of those. And then one of these. Make one leg. So we're gonna actually need 2 of each, so that will make both feet. We're gonna need to make these first. So making sure ball is down. And then this would be the knee. And make sure the knee pops in there like that. Now we have a knee. And then the foot. And I don't know, is there a right way and a wrong way to this? Let me get this closer. Okay, yeah. There we go. So, little notches right here are going to be on the outside. So you can swivel a little bit. I'll do the same thing for the other one. Alright, goes that way, that goes to there. And then the knee. And then the foot, the little pieces out. We now have 2 feet and that. We are going to put on the waist. So here's the waist. It's in there. And that gives him motion to swivel. He's got a little bit of that side too. We'll put the legs on. We'll put the legs on next. So they actually turn. They're like this. They actually go like that. We have headless shattered glass sideswipe. Alright. You know, let's just put his head on because he really needs a head. There's a little notch right there, but I don't know if that goes in the back or the front. And we're gonna, oh, wait a minute. There's a notch on both sides. Never mind. First thing we're gonna do is, oh, it goes inside. Okay, so this is gonna go completely inside the head. Like, okay, it only goes in one way, so it's gonna have to go in long ways. That goes in like that. Push that in. Oh, that also gives him, it's hard to see, that also gives him his red eyes when you put that in there, which is cool. Now, put the head on. Got it. Turning. And he can also nod. Now we have the back part. There. And we have a gun right here. Oop, I dropped it. I dropped it again. so he can fire right next to his ear. And last but not least, have his gun. And we have completed shattered glass sideswipe. I always forget to click record and I start doing stuff. Two legs. Uh-oh. Malfunction. We need to redo our sticky. Okay, there we go. Okay, crisis averted. Yeah.
All set.
Okay. My dad just walked into the room. Take 3.